your dashboard. It not only tells you how fast you're going, but you also have a tachometer that tells you how many RPMs. Are you in the right gear for the speed that you're doing and the incline that you're going, engine temperature, oil temperature? All of these things are relayed to you in one small place that you can look at in order to make adjustments on how you're driving. Another way, higher level, somebody who drives every day but is not so much of a car enthusiast, or perhaps not a race car driver, perhaps not a police officer. All they want to know is if everything's okay. So the dashboard might not have a tachometer, it might not have an oil temperature gauge, but it has what we call dummy lights. Like if things get too hot, the light comes on. If you're going too fast, you start to get warnings, that sort of thing. So it depends on what the person does and what kind of information they need. One of the problems with instrumented and interconnected is there's too much information almost. A mountain of information, a mountain of data. How do you sort through it all to only get the data that you need? So we'll talk about that as well. How much do you annually spend on software delivery? Well, let's look at the industry. Here's a IT spending tower by the different technologies. You can't see it from where you are, but here we have application support and application development. Together, application support and application development constitute 40%. And it's getting more and more. Look here on the other side. And that's for IT organizations. For systems organizations, look at this defense systems component of IT in the systems chart. The F4 was introduced in 1960, and the percent of specification requirements that needed software control were 8%. Now let's fast forward to year 2000, the F22. The percent of specifications for the F22 that required software control, 80%. This is not from IBM. This is from the Australian Software Acquisition Management Force. And over here is from Gartner. More and more, our work in our industry is involved in everything. Everything is